Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about something that's been on my mind lately, not letting people get you down or ruin your dreams for you. As someone who has worked hard to see my vision come true, I know how easy it is to get discouraged when people don't believe in you or try to bring you down. But here's the thing. You are the only one who truly knows what you're capable of, and you're the only one who can make your dreams a reality. It's important to surround yourself with people who support and encourage you, but even if you don't have that kind of support system right now, don't let it stop you from pursuing your goals. Remember why you started in the first place, and keep pushing forward. One thing that's helped me is to focus on the progress I've made so far, rather than how far I still have to go. Every step forward is a step closer to my goal, and that's something to be proud of. So if you're feeling discouraged or like giving up, remember that you have what it takes to make your dreams come true. Don't let anyone else's negativity or doubts hold you back. Keep working hard, stay focused on your vision, and never give up. But wait, there's more. If you're ready to take your online business to the next level, I highly recommend checking out our recommended online business app. It's a powerful tool that can streamline your affiliate marketing efforts, provide valuable insights, help you scale your business, and Oba family will keep you encouraged and celebrate even your small successes. Find the link to the app in the video description below and start supercharging your affiliate marketing journey today. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in your affiliate marketing journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share it with others. Until next time.